The material I work with, glitter, has that stereotype anyway. I'm far more interested in its potential to talk past the stereotypes of sexuality, because it's always going to be considered an act of drag or a part of gay culture. The work that I'd like, the work that will be in this exhibition, speaks more to the ideas of pleasure. And through the show, these works have come from 8 works that were in Melbourne at Nellie Caston. All works were looking at the idea of seeking pleasure. And I was trying to find a link between the generations in the world now and the world past. Are our pleasure principles the same as they were back then, or what they can be in the future? And it led me to a book by Sir John Glubb, The Fate of Empires. And what Sir John does is describe the different pathways every empire he has researched has. If we consider this now to be the empire of capitalism, we are in one of the last cycles that leads to the demise of an empire. And during this cycle, one of the acts, or one of the considerations that becomes experienced across all people in their hedonism is a prolific state of sexual practice and sexual interest. This is just one of the elements that intrigued me about contemporary hedonism. And the other 2 works that are on show reference this idea of pleasure-seeking and the falls of empires by looking at also the celebrity chef and of decadence.